All right, we are going to unbox one of those TikTok hydroponic systems for inside your house. So I'm going to get this thing open, start taking the parts out, and let's check it out together. Okay, got it open. First thing I see is a bunch of fittings. There's the instructions. Looks like a timer over there. All right, so let's take this bad boy out. See what we've got here. Here's the instructions for it. Looks pretty straightforward. So we will find the installation or assembly instructions and get this thing going. Remember when I said I would find installation or assembly instructions? Well, yeah, there aren't any. There's simply this picture. That should be enough for me to go by, but I'm going to take everything out and just put it aside so I can start sorting everything, getting it ready to put together. Here is what we have. Start over here. Got a little timer, little mallet, I guess, to hammer the PVC stuff together. A bunch of fittings. There's some plugs, 7 plugs. Interesting. Okay, usually not an odd number. Got some wheels, little PVC pipes, some tweezers, zip ties, a little pump, some vacuum tubing. These are all the little seed pods that you'll put into the pipes there. So we've got 6 of those. This should be 54 little spots to put seedlings in, or seeds in. These are the manifolds that go on the end. Those will go right here on the end. We'll connect all those. You've got 8 of these. Looks like they are going to be the uprights. So I'm gonna start putting this together and it should take shape pretty quickly. Okay, I got the first layer done, easy enough. You just basically put those on the ends and that's it. You do have to watch and make sure that you leave this piece with the little piece going down in the middle on the bottom layer, which really doesn't matter if this is top or bottom, but the other 3 fittings don't have a pipe going down because you just have the one right there so it can go into your reservoir for water. Got the 2 layers done, and so now I'm just going to put the 4 posts on the corners so this thing can stand up, and then connect the 2 top to bottom. Easy enough. Got the uprights done. The longer pieces go in the middle, and then there's shorter ones that go for the base. And so now I'm going to, I guess I'll just add the pipe going up top. This one is supposed to go right here. I'm going to add it to this. Easy enough. Just push it down in there, and that's going to have the vacuum tubing come to it. Let's see, this little piece right there is going to go bottom middle, so I'll put that on real quick, then I'll put on the wheels, and then we'll see what it looks like then. So when you are putting on the wheels, you've got these little pieces that are going to go in first, and that's going to be so you can adjust the height. So you just push those in, and then the wheel with the little piece right there is going to go into the middle there. All right, wheels are installed, and this bad boy can roll around. Check out my MG back there. And so I think now I just need to put these little caps in, and then I can run the tubing and do the pump, but I'm really not ready to start this thing right now. I kind of just did this on a whim while I was out here in my shop. So I'll put that on, and this thing should be ready. I'll have to decide what plants I'm going to use. That I made a mistake. The little caps that I have here don't go at the top. They go inside. So I need to take off the top and put this right there. It's to keep water from going down the sides. So I didn't know that they were going to do that. But yeah, if I didn't cap those, it would go straight out the wheels. Okay, sorry. Well, maybe next time they'll put instructions instead of just a picture. All right, sorry for my error. I got the caps put in. I can't really see them, it's clear. And I put the little pod thingies in there just to see them. So why don't we get this thing turned on and see how it works. I spilled a little water when I was filling up my car wash bucket here, but here we go. And here, water moving. So we want to see if it goes all the way through the system. I can see it moving there. It's going over here. It's a little dark for you guys. And it should eventually return down to the bucket. So So I guess we'll just wait a second, see what happens. Okay, it's going through all the different areas now. And I guess it'll then make its way back to the bottom. Should be going down to the bottom now, so we should hear it. Yep, there we go. All right, so the system works. I don't see any leaks besides what I spilled a little while ago. Looks and sounds good. So I'm kind of excited to see what we're gonna plant in here. Anyway, pretty inexpensive setup. I think it was only like $40, so yeah, maybe you should give it a whirl. I'll post a video probably in a few months when we get some results. Have a good one.